Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. In today's topic, I'm going to talk about how do you know you have a bad AC compressor clutch and how do you know it is time to replace the clutch. Here are some of the symptoms that it's time to inspect the AC compressor clutch. Number one is your AC clutch is always engaged. Number two is it won't disengage. Number three is you're hearing noise coming from the clutch area. And number four is when the pulley starts to wobble. Number five is the AC is not blowing cold air or the cold air is blowing inconsistent. Number six is you're getting trouble codes for P0645, P0646, and P0647. Now I'm going to show you guys how to test for a bad AC compressor clutch. Let's start by testing the AC compressor clutch coil. So first, disconnect the wire. Next, you want to jump the wire. You want to give it 12 volts. And when you give it power, the clutch coil should activate and it should pull inward. You'll hear a clicking noise. Close-up view. I'm giving it power. Here's a second test. When the clutch coil is not activated, the pulley should not spin at all. And when the clutch coil is activated, when it's receiving power, the pulley should spin together with the clutch coil. So right now it is activated. And let's deactivate it. Now the pulley should not spin. You can actually check if the AC compressor clutch is working or not just by visually looking at it. And this is how you do it. If you don't want to bench test it and you don't want to energize it manually, you can just leave the compressor on the vehicle and just start your vehicle. All you have to do is pay attention to the AC compressor pulley and clutch. When you hear a clicking noise coming from the AC compressor, the pulley and the clutch should spin together. So my microphone just broke, so hopefully you can hear this clearly. So the next test is going to be checking for movements and noise. The first thing you want to do is you want to rotate the pulley. Make sure there is no noise. Next, rotate the clutch coil. Make sure there is no noise. Next, grab the clutch coil and pulley and rock it. There should be no movements. If there are movements, go ahead and replace that clutch coil. So that's how you test for a bad AC compressor clutch coil. I hope you found this lesson useful. As well, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.